In this video, I'll guide you through how to buy crypto with N26. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or just looking to make your next purchase, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. First, you'll want to open the N26 app on your smartphone. If you haven't already, log into your account using your credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the main screen. Here, you'll notice a series of options at the bottom. What you want to do is tap on the Finances tab. This is where all the magic happens, taking you to the section where you can manage your financial assets, including cryptocurrencies. Now that you're in the Finances section, the next step is to locate your crypto portfolio. Once you find it, tap on Buy. This will take you to a list of available cryptocurrencies. You'll see popular options like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and many more. Take your time to decide which cryptocurrency you want to invest in. For this example, let's say you've made your choice. With the cryptocurrency selected, it's time to decide how much you'd like to invest. Go ahead and enter the amount, such as $100. This part is quite straightforward, but always double check to ensure you're comfortable with the amount you're investing. After entering the amount, tap on Preview Order. This is a crucial step where you get to review all the details of your intended purchase. Pay close attention to the fees and exchange rates, as these will affect the overall costs. Ensure everything aligns with your expectations and that you're comfortable with the terms. If everything looks good and you're ready to proceed, tap Buy Now to finalize your purchase. And just like that, you've completed your crypto transaction using N26. It's a simple process, but taking a moment to review each step ensures a smooth and secure experience. Now, if you ever wish to sell your crypto, the process is just as seamless. Simply follow the same steps, but instead of tapping Buy, you'll select Sell. This allows you to convert your cryptocurrency back into your account's currency. And that's it. Now, that's how to buy crypto with N26. I hope this tutorial has made the process clear and easy to understand. Thank you for watching and happy investing.